You're dumb.
So where do you think we should go after this?
I don't know.
Where do you want to go? Because you got money, though.
No, we live here. Yeah, we live here.
You guys seem like you're out of town. Where should we go after this, you know?
Should we go to Colorado? Okay.
Yeah. Nah, I gotta fucking go to my new hometown. I want to go eventually.
To Boston, huh?
Yep. We're going straight there. Boston representative. I want to go to Boston and try out for a pro team. I play hockey. I play hockey. Oh, you do? Nice. I like hockey. I busted my knuckles, but they actually ended up curing pretty well. So why don't we try team match?
Yeah, we should do that.
Team match.
On this one right here.
Yeah. Even if it's just us three or some these guys want to fucking join, hell yeah, do this.
Yeah.
Let's go to the Marine Deers.
Oh damn. 4 against 2.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared either. I ain't scared. Oh, man. You know, until I get in that court, I'm scared.
Fuck it.
You're like, let's go when we get in there. Oh shit. It's like when you tried the cliffhanger, you're like, oh yeah, we got this. We got this. Until you're like, click, click, click. No. We gotta go to fucking Uncle Cliff's, bro. Open today? Yeah, I know, during the weekends.
Yeah.
Dude, like whenever, like, because like, dude, I'm getting my financial aid in like June 13th. Really? And then whenever it's the weekend or something like that, dude, we should all fucking go.
Yeah, we should.
You live in Albuquerque? Yeah. I live on the west side of town. My grandma's the one that's awesome.
Shit.
My grandma's just the one that lives out like 30 minutes out of town. All kinds of people.
I know,
I'll go
right?
fill out my hair, dude.
Mine's already filled.
Yeah, I had mine filled up too. Let's get next match.
Yep. Next match. There you go.
I only got hit. I didn't get hit myself. First game, me and John. We were behind the same cover the whole game, and when I moved cover, no one hit me.
Put on the beanie again.
Yeah.
Alright guys, capture the flag or Alamo?
Alamo!
That one right there. The big one. I guess Alamo. Come on, you almost got it. There we go. Yeah.
I got mine at, you can get them at 3.5.
Right, time to go for the Alamo. See you guys later.